Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn killav.rb script to disable antivirus program. We focused on various techniques that can be implemented to bypass the client-side antivirus protection and open an active session. What if we want to download files from the target system or install a keylogger and so on? Such activities can raise an alarm in the antivirus. So once we have gained an active session, our next target should be to kill the antivirus protection silently. So basically this tool or this video is all about deactivating antivirus. Killing antivirus is essential in order to keep our activities undetected on the target machine. We'll be using some of the Metasploit script available to us during an active session. Let's open up terminal. Here I already created Metasploit session. Type sessions. Type -i1. A Metasploit provides a very useful script named killav.rb, which can be used to kill the antivirus process running on the target system and thus disable them. Let us try this script on our Windows 7 target, which is running ESET Node 32 antivirus. Type run space killav. The run command is used to execute Ruby script in Metasploit. Once a script has executed, we can again check the running processes on the target in order to make sure that all of the antivirus processes have been killed. If none of the antivirus processes are running, then it means that the antivirus has been temporarily disabled on the target machine, and we can now move ahead with our penetration testing process. Type killav space -h. Here we can see that basic usage. So that's it in this video on killav.rb script to disable antivirus program in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.